در اون موقع به ما گفتند که تون میروید.
بخش دیگری از انقلاب سفید شاه سیاسی بود، یعنی غیر مسلمانان نیز می توانستند نماینده مسلمانان شوند. همچنین زنان نیز حق رأی پیدا می کردند. هرچند حق رأی زنان برای شاه چهره مترقی فراهم کرد، اما طرز فکر شخصی او درباره زنان بسیار متفاوت بود و در این مصاحبه که در بهار 1356 و در اواخر دوران سلطنتش انجام شده، او همچنان این طرز فکر را آشکارا بیان می‌کرد.
I'm quoting Your Majesty. In a man's life, women count only if they are beautiful, graceful, and know how to stay feminine. You may be equal in the eyes of the law, but not in ability. You have never produced a Michelangelo or a Bach or even a great cook. You are schemers, you are evil, all of you. Oh, Your Majesty, you said all these things.
Not with the same words, no.
Well, the thought, you've never produced a Michelangelo, a Bach, or even a great cook.
This I have said.
So you don't feel that women are, in that sense, equal, that they have the same intelligence or ability?
Not so far. Maybe you will become in the future. You can always have some exceptions.
Here and there.
But yes, but on the average, I repeat again, when have you produced a top scientist?
Madame Curie.
That's one.
But we've had a lot of trouble getting ahead, perhaps because of this point of view. Do you feel your wife is one of these rare exceptions?
It depends in what sense.
Well, do you feel your wife can govern as well as a man?
I prefer not answer.
But you have made your wife the regent of this country. If you should die, your wife beheads this country, and yet you're not certain that she can govern as well as a man.
I can't say. The reaction that she might eventually have under crisis. These are unanswerable question. How do you want to...
Well, I admire you for your honesty, but what you are really saying is women are nice in their place. Nice, pretty creatures. You are a very pretty woman. Say something, Your Majesty. How do you feel when you listen to this?
No. What can I say? You know, it's I don't think you really believe that. Because, well, after all, we don't want to start arguing again, starting to have the conversation about the difference between men and women.